rubber bands, rubber bands. Da 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 da, rubber bands, da da da.
Hi, Stacy.
Hi, Barbie.
So, what are you doing?
Oh, nothing. Just have rubber bands here.
I see you have some rubber bands, Stacy. Where did you get them from?
Just from a garage sale.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What are you gonna do with them?
We can make bracelets with them.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, I always have great ideas, like I said.
Yes, you do. Should we start?
Yes!
Okay, let's get started.
Yay!
On the art table, and we can make it all of our rubber band bracelets there.
Yeah, and we can keep them there, but where should we keep them?
I'll find a place to keep them. But every kid and everyone and every grown-up who is watching this, you can follow along and learn how to make a rubber band bracelet too.
Yep, it's true. You can make so many rubber bracelets, but you can just have the teacher. You don't know.
Well, we'll teach you. Let's get started.
Yes!
You all. Hey everyone, so today we're making rubber band bracelets. This is what they look like. This is one I just made. So the materials you need are obviously rubber bands, and you'll also need 2 rubber bands that are tied together like this. It doesn't really matter which color. So first take your rubber bands and then choose a color. I'm going to choose this teal. Then put it around your index finger and then cross it so it looks like this. Now we're going to learn how to make 2 fish. So you're going to take another one and do the same. So it should look like this, and it should have a cross in the middle. Then you're going to take another one and just put it normally around here. And then you're going to take another one and do the same. Like this. It should look like this now. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the bottom 2 and bring them up like this. So they go around here like that. Now it should look like this. Now you're going to take this color again, or whatever color you want, and just keep going. So now it should look like this. Now bring the bottom ones up here, and it should start to create a little chain down here. So you just want to keep doing it, and you'll get it. So just keep going, like that. And see, eventually it'll just make a little chain like that, and then it'll make a bracelet like this. And just in case you don't know how to do it, I'll show you how to do it again. So remember, we're making a 2 fish, so you're going to need 2 of these. So take 2 and put them around here, like this, okay? Good. And now you're going to take the bottom 2, so right here, and then you're going to grab it and pull it up, and then bring it right here. So, like this. Right there, up to there. Now, you don't really want to pull too much on this, but you don't even want to just leave it like that. So what I like to do is I like to hold it right here so you can see how much there is. And then just keep going. And eventually you'll get a bracelet. When your bracelet is almost ready, you just want to put it around your hand. And if it feels about the right size, then you're almost done. But if you're not, then just keep on doing it. So here, I'm just getting the colors that I need. So I did like a teal and yellow kind of bracelet. And then you're just gonna keep going on. I did it, so let's do this. I'm just getting all of these. It should make like a chain or like a bracelet sort of thing to look at like this. Remember, this is a 2 chain, so it might take longer than a 1 fish. I was supposed to say fish. And then, yeah, like I said, just keep on going, and eventually your bracelet is done. Comment down below if you were able to make a bracelet with these steps. And I think I only need a few more before my bracelet is going to be done. So remember what I said, just like measure it around your hands. If it feels about the right size, then you're good. And it is about the right size. So let's move on to the next hooking a bracelet except one step is different. So you're going to do the little X thing again and put it on top. And then you're just going to do that. And then here what you're going to do is you don't want to put the second one in. So like you only want to put this one. So see how this one is still there? Now you're going to take this one and hook it over here. So it's only on one finger. And on one part you want to pull a little. And then eventually it'll come together like that. So this is how you make it. So again, I'll show you. So just make the cross, put one over, and the different step is you're not going to put both of them here. You're only going to put one here. And then you're going to put that one over there. Then just pull and you'll have these. Now let's get on to actually hooking the bracelet up. So now we're going to hook the bracelet up and you'll have your bracelet. So on one end, you're going to take this. And this part you have to be really, really careful with because there's a chance you could end up totally messing up the bracelet. So take this. And then here, there should be like an end. Just slide it through. There. Now you're going to do the same with the other one. Just going to find it. Slide it through. You have to be really careful with this part. And there, it should look like that. Now, at first it will look really small, but it's supposed to look like that because, well, it's a rubber band bracelet. The next thing you're going to do is you're just going to tie it up. And this part is really hard because it took me 5 tries on my first bracelet to tie it up. Sometimes it might take you a really long time because these rubber band bracelets are kind of small. So I'm going to tie it up and I'll show you how it looks at the end. And then just tie the knot, and you want to make sure to put 2 knots in it because if you put one, then it's more likely to fall apart easier. And there's your bracelet, and this is a really difficult step, so it might take you a few tries to get it. To be honest with you, I actually end up putting it on my feet as a holder and then tying it together. And yeah, and that is your rubber band bracelet. So now you have a new fashionable bracelet that you can wear. I think these bracelets are super fun to make. They're a great activity to do when you're bored, and I hope you got your rubber band bracelet too. These bracelets are so pretty and so cool.
I know, they're just so pretty. I can't believe we can even make these.
Well, thanks to our instructor, now we can make rubber band bracelets whenever we want.
Yeah, we just need to learn.
Well, we can keep watching that video, and then we'll be able to get it soon enough because I was able to get mine.
Well, I still have to learn mine.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment down below if you were able to get your rubber band bracelet.
By yourself, making by rubber bands.
I know. Rubber band bracelets are a great activity to do whenever you're bored.
Yeah, you can do them whenever you want when you're bored. When you're just bored, you can just make rubber band bracelets.
You said bored a lot.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, we hope you enjoyed this week's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!